chicken that I will slaughter today, guys. Hi, chicken. Come here. Hey. I'm gonna feed you first before I feed you, okay? Look at that chicken. She doesn't know that I'm going to kill her today. Come here. I want you to go inside the house, okay? See? I got you now. See? Hey. Say hi to your viewers. Hi. Beautiful chicken. I'm ready to slaughter it today. Okay? So big. See? So chicken, I will slaughter you here, okay? Oh my gosh. Go outside. Go out! Do you want me to slaughter you also, huh? Hey! Oh my gosh. You listen to me. I'm ready to slaughter chicken today. So this is the chicken I will slaughter now. So chicken, I'm gonna put the plate on the floor. I'm gonna place there first to put your blood and the knife also. So now it's your lucky day, okay? I'm ready to kill you now. After that, I will eat you today for my dinner. Okay, chicken? I cooked already the chicken, guys. So now I'm gonna clean. I'm gonna clean the chicken. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh my gosh, it's very hot. Oh. Yes. So hot. This chicken is so hot. Oh my gosh.